How to fix Instagram not showing likes problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram not showing likes. Now, this can happen if there is a glitch or a bug on the app itself. Now, to fix the issue, you can try two different ways. The first is to reset the app itself. To do so, scroll down your notification bar and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will head you to your settings, and then scroll down and head into apps. And on apps, you can scroll down and search for Instagram, or you can search in from search bar for Instagram here. And then here what you want to do is head into stories, and you'll get the option to clear your data at the bottom of your screen. You can see it right there. Tap on clear data and confirm it. And once you do this, your Instagram data will be resetted, or your app will get resetted, and then it will fix the issue. The second option, however, is to uninstall the app itself and reinstall it. Head into your app store or just uninstall the app. Here you can see the uninstall option. Tap on uninstall and confirm uninstallation, and once you uninstall it, again reinstall the app, and this will remove the glitch or the bug that's happening. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.